Hey guys, it's Janet here, Strange RV Tours. Oh my gosh. We're in Winslow, Arizona, and I'm going to give you a little RV park review. This is where we've stayed in the last 5 days. We planned on staying 2 days, but we ended up staying 5. Anyway, 5, 6. We're in Winslow, Arizona, and this is called Take It Easy RV Park. We're between Albuquerque and Flagstaff. Actually, we're in Winslow, Arizona. And there's I-40 right here. Back half mile, not even that, is Route 66. This is the old sign that's still here. Pacific Pride truck stop or fueling station, which is no longer. But there's a sign that says the corner RV park and propane. Okay, it's taken over by Mike Decker. He owns the property now, and he's working his butt off on it. And they do have propane, but as far as fuel, nah. And the little store that used to be a little store, it's no longer. But they're going to make it a laundry facility, public laundry, which is a great idea. You know, they don't have laundry here at the park, so why not? But for propane at $2.99, they do sell the propane. That's the cheapest we've found so far, to tell you the truth. The cheapest is $3.29 a gallon. But, and as you can see, they're working on this. That's going to be a big, huge laundry facility. That's great. He does lease out the restaurant side here. That's Mi Pueblo. We have not tried it yet, but the girls in the office said it was great. Angelique said it was great. And here's the entrance for the RV park. Right now, this Mi Pueblo is doing takeout only, no dine-in. And if you have any horses, cows, what have you, there's the Purina feed store right there. But so, okay, here's the RV park. Everybody's been really nice here. Saw somewhere somebody thought it used to be a drive-in theater. I really don't think so. I have no evidence of a drive-in theater. But here's their little office. Passport America, we got the first 2 nights for $19. And then regular price is $38 a night. And they have a weekly price of $195 plus electric. Oh, look at that Mustang too. But $300 is for the 2 weeks plus electric. Only $448 for a month. And you put a deposit down for electric, $100. But this is the storage area over here. Looks like maybe some of the employees are parked right there. They have like 44 spaces, full hookups with 50 amp. They just upgraded to 50 amps all through the park, and every one of these are pull-throughs. Oh, this is all the storage, you know. But you're in a good location if you're going to do the Route 66. If you want to see all the sights in Winslow, standing in the corner, on the corner, you know, the Glen Fry stuff, and if you want to go see Petrified Forest, it's just up the road that way. You know, it's a good location. There aren't very many RV parks in Arizona on this area. Let's see, this weekend everybody was pretty much booked full. And we were lucky to just squeeze in here. And then they were packed after we got in. Oh my gosh, this whole place was just packed. that is out here at the east side of town of Winslow, and everything's neat and clean, but you tell that it's been here for a while. You know, the concrete is a little cracked in areas and stuff like that. Yesterday, every spot was full. I mean, these back spots here too, every bit of it. Of course, it was the holiday too. There's their bathrooms they're working on and showers. They're building a whole new set of those. So right now there's no bathrooms or showers, but it won't be very long now. They'll be ready for everybody. But see, everything's pulled through. You can tell they have all new electrical boxes in there, and you know, if you don't have room, you can park your vehicles on the edge of the property. But see, they're working on stuff. So kudos to Mike taking this on. It's a lot of work, I'm sure. Yeah. But, you know, if this was a drive-in, I wouldn't think so, because they got sewer all the way through this place. You know, the sewer lines, water lines, you know, and this stuff's been here a while. So I don't think it was a drive-in, really. But that's us right there. It is tight. We pulled in thinking we were only going to stay a couple nights. We weren't worried about the awning. I could have moved over a little bit more. Okay, guys. Well, here in Winslow, you know, this was a great place to stay. It was convenient. Oh, and the Wi-Fi was awesome. Thank you for good Wi-Fi.
Strange RV tours will take you places with Greg and Janet's smiling faces. You might see a crazy flavored soda review or some tips to fix your RV too. So come along, won't you join us, friend, as we discover what's around the bend. Just sit right back in your easy chair. Strange RV Tours is on the air. Strange RV Tours is on.